Two cybersecurity giants in 2025. One crucial question: which one really delivers? On the left, Norton, comprehensive digital protection with powerful all-around features. And on the right, ESET, cutting-edge, reliable security, famous for its advanced anti-theft solutions. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. Quick look at what we're diving into. We're talking malware protection, all those extra features, what you get for the price, how they work across different devices, identity and data protection, and anti-theft powers. Got your checklist? Let's do this. First up, malware protection. Norton comes in strong here, rocking a perfect 6 out of 6 from a V-test and a 99.96% online protection rate. Honestly, pretty top-tier stuff. The only weird blip is it throws a few more false alarms than I'd like 10? Not a deal breaker, but still. ESET actually matches Norton point for point here. Same perfect score, almost identical 99.95% protection rate, also gets the AAA rating, but it slips up less on false alarms, just 6. So if you're tired of jumping at every shadow, that's nice, right? In the end, performance is basically neck and neck, so we gotta call this one a tie. All right, let's talk features and extras. This is where it gets spicy. Norton is like the overachiever in the class. You get performance tools for your device, cloud backup, built-in VPN, even a password manager that's legit secure. Parental controls? Check. Identity protection? Big check. Only thing missing is an anti-theft trick. So if you're always losing your stuff, maybe not ideal. But otherwise, packed. Now, ESET. Honestly, this one's got this James Bond anti-theft feature. It can track your laptop, snap sneaky photos if someone messes with it. Pretty cool, right? Its password manager is solid, and you get their VPN on higher tiers. But yeah, you're missing out on cloud backup and device optimization. And if you're using a Mac or iOS, it's a little limited. Overall, Norton just has more all-in, so it takes this one. Let's talk about your wallet. Price and value. Norton's deluxe plan comes in at just $29.99 a year, and you get a ton of extras included, which is awesome if you want all the trimmings without blowing your budget. The only catch? If you add a lot more devices, it does get pricier, like most things. ESET? Surprisingly, their basic plan is actually more expensive than Norton at $49.99 a year, but that's just for the basics. If you want all the best features, like the big anti-theft stuff and full VPN, it's only in the Ultimate plan, and oof, that jumps to $179.99 per year. So yeah, tiered options are good for flexibility, but you gotta pay to play. Gotta give it to Norton here for sheer value. Oh, and here's something seriously neat. ESET's anti-theft? If your laptop gets stolen, it can literally snap pictures of the thief and pinpoint the location. That's like CSI stuff, right? Moving on to cross-platform support. Norton, it just works. Windows, Mac, Android, iOS, all synced up, features pretty much the same wherever you use it. Easy win for consistency. ESET, though, supports Windows, Mac, Android, and even Fire OS, which is cool. But honestly, if you're a Mac or iOS user, you're getting a trimmed version. It's really best on Windows and Android. So if you want to keep it simple and uniform, Norton nails it. Now for identity and data protection. This one's wild. Both step up with dark web monitoring and cybercrime insurance. Norton even goes up to $3 million, which, wow, okay. You also get secure backup. ESET's Breach IQ is really good, and you get alerts on risky behavior, plus identity theft tools. But the insurance cap is lower, around $1 million, which is still pretty solid. Some bits are Windows and Android only. Honestly, both are great here, so we're calling it a tie. Anti-theft. Okay, this is where ESET flexes. Norton just sits this one out. No anti-theft at all. ESET, though, if someone steals your device, you can track it, lock it, trigger the webcam to snap pics. For Windows and Android, it's wild. But if you're using a Mac or iOS, nope, you're out of luck. Still, ESET absolutely wins for anti-theft. So, looking at the radar chart, if you want something with all-around stellar scores and just a more balanced package, Norton totally stands out. ESET's got a spike in anti-theft, so that's your move if device recovery is top of mind. At the end of the day, Norton is just the best all-rounder out there for most folks. Amazing features, strong protection, and you won't feel ripped off. But look, if you obsess over anti-theft and you're on Windows or Android, ESET just does some magic you can't find in Norton. Still on the fence? Check out the official sites. They've got trial offers and all the latest info. Whatever you do, stay safe and always compare before you buy. Don't settle for less than what you need. Seriously.